This kid's storybook from Amazon has done over $610,821 in sales. Well, not everyone leaves a review, so we can be sure that the total number would be much higher than $610,821. This is a very easy idea to make passive income. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can create a similar kid's storybook for free and sell it on Amazon to rake in huge profits in passive income. I will show you how you could come up with story ideas, how to generate stories, how to generate images, and all of this using the power of artificial intelligence for free. I will show you websites that you could use for free to generate all this. Amazon generates around $28 billion worldwide from book sales every year. Amazon sells at least 300 million print books every year. Some estimates show that by 2025, Amazon could take over more than 70% of the US print book market. In the UK, Amazon controls at least 50% of the market, selling over 106 million copies each year. Amazon sells over 487 million ebooks through Kindle every year. The best part is that you can publish these books 100% free using Amazon KDP. So if you are interested, let's move ahead because I promise you will not find this info anywhere else. Imagine the amount of money you could make selling books on Amazon. So let us dive straight into the process of creating the book. We will use ChatGPT to create the storybook for free and publish it on Amazon to make passive income while sleeping. Does it sound good enough? Make money while sleeping? Yes, because this is what passive income is all about. To generate kids' storybook, we will need to go through a few steps. Step 1 would be to generate the title for the storybook. Then we would need a storyline for the book. And then we would need images for the story, and the final step would be to put it all together and create a PDF to publish on Amazon. I went to ChatGPT and asked it to generate 10 title ideas for kids' stories. It came up with few. I went across all the 10 and decided to use The Adventures of Sparkle and Whiskers, a magical journey. It sounds like a very exciting story. Then I asked ChatGPT to give me more details about the story. The story is a children's fantasy tale about the extraordinary adventures of two inseparable friends, Sparkle and Whiskers. Sparkle is a curious and mischievous fairy, while Whiskers is a wise and gentle tabby cat. The story takes place in the quaint village of Willowbrook and the mystical forest that surrounds it. I really liked the story, so I decided to go ahead with it. Now the next step is to create story outline. I went again on ChatGPT and asked it to generate chapter page outline for the story. As you can see, the chatbot has generated the chapter page outline. Each chapter has the title and scenes in detail. Chapter 1, The Mysterious Map. Chapter 2, Setting Off. Chapter 3, The Giggling Fairies. Chapter 4, The Jolly Gnome. Chapter 5, Trials and Temptations. Chapter 6, Deep into the Heart of the Forest. Chapter 7, The Shimmering Gateway. Chapter 8, The Enchantment of Wonderland. Chapter 9, The Power of Friendship. Chapter 10, Back to Willowbrook. Our story outline and its chapter are created. Now we need to create an actual story for each chapter. I went to ChatGPT again and asked to create a rhythm story for each chapter. For example, I asked ChatGPT to create a rhythm story for the 1S chapter, The Mysterious Map. As you can see, Chatbot has created the rhythm story for one state chapter. We will do the same for all the remaining chapters to create a rhythm story. All you have to do is copy the chapter and paste it into the prompt box for Chatbot to create the rhythm story for all the chapters one by one. You could always regenerate the answers until you are happy. And congratulations! Now you have a complete story that can be converted to an ebook which could generate passive income for your lifetime. It only took a few minutes to come up with the story idea, generate the story outline, and create a complete storybook without writing anything by myself. So far so good. We have come halfway into the process of creating a passive income for a lifetime. But it's not over yet. The main part is yet to come. So if you enjoyed the video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now it is time to create illustrations for the story. You could easily end up paying thousands of dollars to the artists to finish the illustrations, but I will tell you a free way to generate these images. The images that you see now are generated free using an AI image generator. An AI image generator from text is exactly what you think it is. It is an AI-powered tool that takes a text prompt, processes it, and creates an image that best matches the description given in the text prompt. There are plenty of AI image generators in the market. We all have heard about Midjourney. It used to be free, but now it is paid. So here I am going to use a free AI image generator app named Lexica. Here you can generate created images by typing text into the prompt. The first step is to generate the cover of our storybook, which is named The Adventures of Sparkle and Whiskers, a Magical Journey. I type the name in the prompt box, and here is what we get. The AI will generate thousands of different images related to the text that you type in the prompt. We need to find the best image that relates to the story. If you cannot find the related image, then try regenerating until you find one. I like this. 2 boys on the tree, and looks like they are in the forest, so it relates very well to the title of our storybook. So we now have the cover image for our ebook. Next step is to generate images for each chapter. For that, we will copy the title of each chapter and paste it into the Lexica prompt box. The AI generator has created so many related images to our chapter title. After going through them, I finally picked the one that relates the best to our chapter title. Look at this one. It looks amazing. I bet even most human graphic designers would not be able to come up with these image ideas. Now all we have to do is copy and paste each of the remaining chapter names in Lexica AI generator for it to generate related images. Here you could see I typed in the title of our second chapter, and the AI generator has created so many images. I will pick up this one as it is the closet image. That relates to our second chapter title, Setting Off. Once all images are generated, download all of them. The next step is to put the story and image together. Go to canva.com, type storybook, and select blank storybook. Upload all the images that you had downloaded from the AI image generator. You just need to drag the images into the box and put the story text in the images. You can increase or decrease the size of fonts and change color. Canva is a free tool, very beginner-friendly and very easy to use. Drag the image and paste the text into the box one by one until all is done. Then the next step is to save it as PDF and your ebook is ready. Congratulations, your ebook is ready to generate passive income for life. The final step is to publish on Amazon Kindle. It is a very easy process to upload an ebook on Kindle, register your account, and follow the prompt to register your account on Kindle and publish your first ebook. Congratulations, your ebook is ready to generate passive income for life. Here is a recap of what you have to do. Generate a story idea for your storybook using ChatGPT. Generate story chapters and outline using ChatGPT. Generate images, add images and text in Canva. Publish on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Thank you for watching.